Are you struggling to clear your throat? Does it feel like you have mucus here? Are you struggling to swallow? Do you have a white tongue? These could be signs of what we call silent acid reflux or laryngopharyngeal reflux or LPR. Now that could be because you have H. pylori or a yeast issue in your mouth or in your esophagus affecting that lower esophageal sphincter. You have acid coming from your stomach into your esophagus, causing all of these problems and silently eroding your esophagus. It is a big problem because if undetected, it could eventually lead to esophageal cancer. So I definitely recommend you get it checked by your doctor. I would also at the same time probably try opening some Pylopurge capsules into water, swish them around your mouth, gargle and swallow, because there is no test for H. pylori in the mouth, in the esophagus, and it could be interfering with that sphincter. That's where I would start. If that doesn't work, I'd move on to the yeast purge and do exactly the same thing. We've had fantastic results with those two.